Hey galaxies, welcome back to Atom Galaxy. Today we're blasting off into the future to explore a question that's both cosmic and close to home. How will people on Mars watch YouTube? Will they still binge videos like we do here on Earth, or will it be an entirely new experience? First things first, Mars is crazy far away. We're talking about an average distance of 140 million miles. So how in the heck would we get a YouTube video from here to there? It all boils down to building an internet superhighway that spans millions of miles. I'm talking about a network of powerful satellites and relay stations, all working together to bounce signals back and forth. NASA and SpaceX are already tinkering with laser communication technology that could blast data across the solar system faster than you can say, Mark Rober. Now even with this super fast space internet, there's still going to be lag. We're talking up to a 20-minute delay in each direction. So much for live streaming, right? Can you imagine waiting 20 minutes for your favorite streamer to see your message? But don't worry, because the brilliant minds at YouTube, or maybe it'll be MarsTube by then, will have a plan. To get around the lag, most videos will be stored on servers right there on Mars. Think of them like giant hard drives filled with all the best Earthling entertainment. Cat videos? Check. Makeup tutorials? Check. ASMR? You bet. It'll be like having the entire internet in a Martian data center. Now, let's talk about the platform itself. Will YouTube still look like, well, YouTube when we're watching from Martian craters? My guess is it'll be even cooler. Think virtual reality experiences where you can step inside a video and explore it in 360 degrees. Imagine putting on your VR headset and suddenly you're swimming with jellyfish on a coral reef while watching a nature documentary. Or maybe you'll be hanging out with your favorite creators in a virtual studio, getting a behind-the-scenes look at their process. And who knows, maybe we'll have something called YouTube Galactic Edition. This could be a whole new version of the platform designed specifically for interplanetary communication. Imagine algorithms that understand Martian humor, tutorials on how to grow potatoes in Martian soil, and updates from Earth tailored to the Martian lifestyle. It'll be like having a direct line to everything happening on both planets. Chapter 3, The More Things Change. But here's the thing, even on Mars, some things will never change. People are people, whether they're breathing Earth air or Martian atmosphere. We crave connection, we love to laugh, and we're always down for a good cat video. So yeah, the comment sections on MarsTube, or whatever it's called, will probably still be a wild ride. You'll have your first comments, your spam bots, and your heated debates about the best way to make Martian pancakes. And creators? They'll still be hustling to make the most entertaining, informative, and engaging content out there. Except instead of unboxing the latest iPhone, they might be unboxing a Martian survival kit or testing out the newest spacesuit model. The point is, the human experience is universal. We're all just looking for ways to connect, learn, and be entertained. And that's something that even a trip to Mars can't change. Chapter 4, Out of This World Content. Okay, now for the really juicy stuff. What kind of mind-blowing content will we see on a Martian version of YouTube? Get ready for a whole new genre of videos: Martian life hacks. How to fix a tear in your dome habitat. There's a video for that. How to whip up a delicious meal using only Martian ingredients. There's a channel for that. How to give your pet Martian rock monster a bath. Okay, maybe not that one, but you get the idea. And let's not forget about the extreme sports. With lower gravity, Martian parkour is going to be off the charts. Imagine people leaping across craters, doing flips off of Olympus Mons, and basically turning the entire planet into a giant playground. But it won't just be Martians making videos. Earthlings will be glued to their screens, eager for a glimpse of life on the red planet. Imagine tuning into a live stream from a Martian colony, watching kids go to school, families having dinner, and scientists making groundbreaking discoveries. It'll be like having a window into another world. Title: The AI DJ of the Solar System. Now let's talk about the future of personalization. On Mars, artificial intelligence will likely play a huge role in shaping our YouTube experience. Imagine an AI assistant that knows you better than you know yourself. It knows what you like to watch, when you like to watch it, and even how you're feeling that day. Feeling down after a long day of terraforming? Your AI DJ cues up a playlist of calming Earth nature scenes. Need some motivation for your workout? Boom, here's a montage of the greatest athletic feats in Martian history. It's like having a personal video concierge curating the perfect viewing experience just for you. And who knows, maybe AI will even help us bridge the language barrier between Earthlings and Martians. Imagine real-time translation subtitles that let you understand videos from any corner of the solar system. Now that's what I call a global, or should I say galactic, community. Keep exploring galaxies. So there you have it, a glimpse into the future of YouTube on Mars. While some things will stay the same, like our love for stories and connection, other things will evolve to fit our new cosmic neighborhood. What kind of videos do you think Martians will create? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep reaching for the stars.